All right, peace. Sustainability is the name of the game. Um, you know, we eat a lot of bean soup, Navy bean soup in the Nation of Islam. My wife makes bean soup. We have our Navy beans. One of the important things that we use a lot of is peppers, green peppers, bell peppers. And we also use onions. We also use garlic. So the objective is to grow everything we need. My father often tells me, he said, I don't have everything I want, but I have everything I need. And that rings in my mind. The older I get, in connection to the teachings of the Honorable Elijah Muhammad and the minister, he's told us, get what you need, ownership, land, start sustaining yourself, get out of debt. This is the only way to make it through this hour, following the guidance of the wise ones came before, not the fools from before. You can learn from them too on what not to do. But the wise ones have showed us the way. The minister said the time and what must be done, and the Honorable Elijah Muhammad said the same thing. So here we go. This one right here is coming on up. That plant is coming on up. Now this is the most productive one right here. If you can see the stem that down, that's the most productive. This is following right behind. I don't see anything on it yet on the second one, but that's coming right behind it. But let's see what we have off one seed. One seed. I want you to think about this. When I do buy the organic bell peppers, I took a picture last night in Publix. When I go to Publix or wherever I go, they're $4. $4 for one bell pepper that's organic, that they say is organic, right? They say. Now these are 1000% organic for sure, because the compost was created on the farm in Michigan, which was created by the strategies and teachings of the minister himself, and what was taught amongst the believers a few years back. But this is the actual soil that was made on the farm in Michigan. So mix that with I think I had black cow manure. So those two things, the soil that was made, or the compost soil, I guess you would term it, is already really high quality, rich. And then you mix that with another rich, high quality actual soil, planting soil. And now this is what we have. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then we have 11, 12, 13, 14. And another one looked like it want to come after that. See the end of it? It's still going. If this one branch give me 15 bell peppers, it's over. It's over. It's over. You can call me Mr. Gardener, which I see it's about to do it. So it ain't like, no wishful thinking. So you got potentially 15. Now you see those bell peppers, they are already there. But you got other ones on the way, inshallah. That's 15 plus. Then this one following a close second, not far away, it's on the same main stem, but it's just like a stream. This one right here has another, let me see. Okay, that was 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then all these with flowers I'm seeing, those become bell peppers. So that's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 27, 28. Potentially on the way. And I don't see any more trying to push past that, but maybe it will. But that's 28. Now here's another one coming. There's a whole cluster coming. 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. probably about 39, 40. Now I'm counting them off for you. You can see them. If you get real close, you can see, you know. So just say 38 to 40 on that cluster. So that's 1, 2, 3 clusters. One seed now. One seed. So that's potentially 40. I got a few critters eating my stuff. I don't use pesticides, so we'll find ways to get them out of there. You know, them doggone what you call it? Caterpillars, man, they are something, but they got to get out of here. Anyway, that's 40. Another cluster. It's another cluster. 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. Dang, you get real close. They get 51, 52, 53, 54. Man, that might be 50, 54 to, I ain't gonna say 60, but it may. Oh, here you go. See that? See that? You got to go, buddy. You got to go. You got to get off here. You can go somewhere else. You can't be on here. That's 6. Man, listen. This one plant. That's this plant. One seed. Yeah, I'm turned up. I'm excited. This is real. 60. And that's just those. And all of these potentially are bringing. Now, this is my first, I think my first ever bell pepper plant. This is our first. My wife may have did it when she was younger. I think she did it before, but this is my first ever being a part of growing bell peppers. Now we had like 60, and look at all these other vines coming up. Look at all these other little side vines. When I clip those out and revive that, I mean, at the end of the day, we might be at 100 plus. We might be. It's hard to say. It's hard to say how many it's going to be, because these are all real. These all are bringing. You see that flower? Like, all of these have flowers. See the flower right there? Once that flower fall off, that bell pepper come right behind it. Matter of fact, you can even see the little, I guess, what the bell pepper is growing from. Now I'm gonna get these up off the ground. Somebody got one of my bell peppers. I just noticed that. One of them gone. Oh, heck nah. Oh, heck nah. Boy, I put an electric fence around this mug, boy. A damn squirrel or something. Don't play with me. Don't do that. But I'm going to get it up off the ground. I'm going to get it on off the ground. But yeah, we got action. We got action. So I got to monitor this every day. You got to keep the critters out. You got to keep the things out. So far, it's doing good. Can't wait till this one start. You see, it's coming right behind it. Got some stuff coming. But we are looking at probably 60 something just on the first ones. Man, all praise is due to Allah. Allahu Akbar.